I'm Brandy Lucas. Welcome back to my channel where I show you how to maintain your short hair at home. If this is your first time tuning in here, what is up? I am so happy to have you here. So if you're into short hair styling and maintenance, then make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as that little bell because you don't want to miss anything that I am putting down on this channel. So today I'm sharing something with y'all I know y'all gonna dig. We are going into the fall and winter months, and we're gonna need a little variety in our look, right? So I'm going to share some of the ways that I accessorize my Pixie in the fall and winter. I know y'all gonna love it because these are some clutch looks. So you're gonna stay fly, but you're gonna be warm and you're gonna be able to switch it up. Change of season should be change of style. If you're ready to see how I'll do it, stick around. Headbands are one of my go-to ways to switch up my Pixie. Not the 8th grade over your ear headbands. These are clutch. What you want to do to make sure that you are properly rocking a headband with your Pixie is make sure you use your hair around your face to frame your face. So soft curves and curls, if you have head sideburns, make sure to define them. Leave just a little bit of hair out to frame your face and soften your look. And then you can rock it out with headbands. I have a tail, so based on the different types of headbands that you'll see how I accessorize that. But headbands are an easy, simple way to add to your look to get over a bad hair day. This is a super cute one that I found at Old Navy. It has like pearl details, so if I'm wearing black, if I'm wearing white, with this neutral headband I could basically wear anything. It has a wide band that goes all the way around my head, so if I'm having a bad hair day in the back, I can cover it up. This one I get so much action on every time I wear it. Again, it's a velour one. Found this one also at Old Navy. Wide band, covers up my ears. It's super warm if you happen to be in a cold place. These are an amazing way to get through a bad hair day, to accessorize on a good hair day, but just to jazz up your Pixie cut. I like headbands with a little bit of detail, as you can see. I'm here for all of the pearl ones. This one has a less of a wide band in the back, so it gives me the opportunity to accessorize my tail. If you have like fringe on your neckline, this is a go-to headband that will allow you to accessorize your look too. And then this one is a basic white cotton. I can wear it with sweats. I can wear it around the house if I'm just trying not to look so crazy. I like to rock the knot to the side for a little bit of flair. But headbands are a great, easy, simple way to pull your Pixie together. Another great way to accessorize your Pixie is with turbans. I found this turban at the beauty supply. Super cheap, just happened to see it, thought it was cute, brought it home, and I'm like, oh, I'm digging this. It does a great job of covering my entire head, so whether I'm wearing it because it's cold outside or because I'm having a bad hair day, it has both purposes covered. Again, I just make sure that I frame my face with a little bit of hair, make sure my sideburns are doing what they need to do, and I am good to go. This is cute. Yes, I think I was feeling it a little bit. And this turban is a game changer. I actually bought this online from a black-owned business. I will link it in the description below. But this is a satin lined turban mimicking what we would do with the t-shirt and the head wrap. And this boy is so cute. I love this blue vibrant color. I don't have to fuss through making the knot and positioning it. Yes, I was feeling this. This was actually the first time that I put the turban on since I ordered it online, and I absolutely love it. The material was the bomb. The color was the bomb. This is a great way to get up and get out. Oh, okay, I was really doing the most. I was really feeling this turban. Gives good coverage in the back. It was not too tight on my head. It's a whole vibe. Again, I'm going to link the company that I got this turban from in the description below. The fact that it is satin lined makes it very easy to take on and off your head, and my hair is maintained. So even if you're wearing this as a hat, you cannot beat the fact that it is lined with satin. Check the description. So y'all know I couldn't do this video and not show a couple of hats. This is a regular North Face, just kind of winter hat, and I think it is so cute to wear with the Pixie. It's just all in how you wear it. Not too much, because it is not lined with satin and it can dry your hair out, but when you throw it back on your head and make sure that you leave out a little bit of that face framing softness around your face, even the cutest little dumpy winter hat can be cute. I really like this one with the colors and all of that, and if it's cold, you get cute and you get your head covered in a way that keeps you warm, so you can't beat that. And you know, you're getting coverage all around your head. If you have a little tail or a fringe around the neck, you can leave that out and you still be cute. Always mindful to put my hand over my head to protect my hair, so I'm not pulling my hair when I'm taking off a tight fit or wool hat. Next, I have a cute little kind of winter woman's fedora type hat. Love wearing it back off the head to give a little peekaboo of the face framing features of my Pixie. I'm cracking myself up at all these moves that I was busting during this video. But yeah, a nice winter hat is... You really need one in your arsenal. And this is just another style, more like the fedora style. I don't even know if that's what you would call the other hat, but these on a Pixie are a whole entire vibe. If you are rocking short hair, make sure that you get a couple of these in your winter arsenal. All you got to do is really pull together the front of your hair, or maybe leave a little bang out, and it is a whole look. That was fun. This is the first time I've ever did a dress up video. I'm not like a style YouTuber. I'm all about the hair, but that was fun to show y'all some of the ways that I love to accessorize my pixie cut. I hope that you guys found this interesting, informative, and that you're going to get out in the store and find you some ways to jazz up your pixie. I will leave all of the links that I have, because some of these accessories I've had for a while, but the ones that I recently purchased, I'll add to the description below. That silk lined turban was everything. By far, that is what I am most excited to rock on bad hair days and good hair days, because you know we can flip it. We can flip it with just a little bit of action around the hairline, and ain't nobody's business what's going on under whatever we put on our heads. So again, I would love for you guys, if you enjoy short hair content, if you found this video informative, to go ahead and click that subscribe button, and also hit that little bell so you don't miss out on any more of the short hair tea that I am bringing to y'all. Again, I'm Brandy Lucas. I enjoyed you, and until next time.